Hey guys, I'm actually going to give myself an applaud for this one because, oh my god, this was so hard to do because I had to get up in the attic and there was lots and lots of concentrating and making sure I don't fall through the ceiling. But you know what, I did it, and look, I got the wires in everywhere and it looks so much better, and we're gonna have lots of light and it's gonna be perfect. So basically, before you do this, you want to make sure that you try to get all your boxes ready and stripped before you start going through and cutting all the wires. I actually figured out that you really need some really long wires for going through this tiny hole that you're working through. Otherwise, it makes it really hard for you to kind of go through and get enough wire through to actually pull it through the box. So there's a couple tricks I learned with cutting everything. Oh yeah, and I need a new wire cutters because mine fell and it's in all of the cellulose somewhere, and that's the blown in insulation stuff, and I don't know where it went. It is literally stuck up there somewhere and I have no idea where it went. So I need to get a new wire cutter. So I am actually using a plumbing tool to cut them, and it works pretty well, but it's still not quality. And yeah, so that's one of my dilemmas here. And right now I am tapped out on money, so I am just bought some new stuff to start this project, a new project here in the next couple weeks. So we'll be getting to that too here pretty soon. I need to buy a couple extra things too before we get to one of those projects, and that's before we finish the ceiling and paint the ceiling. Don't worry, we can remove these lights. It's not going to do anything. And before we hook up everything, I don't know if the switch is going to blow or what, because it's probably too much electricity on this. I need a new box too eventually. So there's a lot of things going on right now. And a new box, they quoted me about $6,000 if I would have had them do the wiring for this. I might still have them do the wiring for the bedroom. I cut the hole though, and I already did start the bedroom already, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, let's get back into the video.
Stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it, you know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna
wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want them. Yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing. Yeah.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing. Yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic. Yeah, if I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want them. Yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display.
This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
Alright guys, so this is kind of what's going on with the lights. I'm really tired from being in the attic yesterday. So I did about 3 lights so far. Actually, I lie, 4 or 5 lights. I'm about ready to do 6, but my hands are hurting, so I'm probably going to stop at this point in time. It's one of those times where I was really nervous, you know, going up into the rafters, getting all those wires out. This wire is in here. It's just up kind of far in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's in there. See the yellow? So I'm really tired right now, so I'm gonna have to call it quits at this point in time. Just for this video. I will try to get this wired by next weekend. I wish I had more of a video for you. But we'll see what happens. I might only be able to do like a little bit at a time because of the fact that that was a lot to do to get up into that attic and, you know, get up there and be concentrating, making sure I didn't fall through the ceiling. So at least we got this part done, and I did not wire anything else. There's this wire here that is still down, this one right here. I'm going to actually move this wire to the attic eventually. There's a flag up there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. I don't even know. Let's see. See the flag right there? The little end. There is a flag up there, and I'm going to move the outlet all the way up there, and there is a reason. Up here is going to be a new fan eventually that's going to go over my stove. Excuse my messy stove stuff, and my messy kitchen. But if you saw on my last video, I did actually take that whole thing out. So now I've got an idea of what I'm going to be doing with this. The problem is that I have to wire this outlet over here. This one is just standing there and it needs to go over here. I don't know if that's up to code or whatever, but it doesn't matter because I'm not really doing what I'm supposed to be doing anyway with the codes. I guess I'm supposed to have a code thing. I'm not going to do it. So just more suckage from, you know, whatever. So anyway, I'm pretty sure it's fine. I'm going to leave that current light switch where it is. I was going to take it out and move it to the other side, but I decided to leave it in case I want to put some more stuff in there, which I might do that. So I'm kind of determining what I'm going to be doing so far is with that. I'm probably going to keep that hole right there. And some of the wire is probably going up to the rafters. And then there will have to be another light switch somewhere from that area down here, because there's a switch for the fan itself eventually. So I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do with that yet. I'll probably, when I'm up there, just go ahead and wire something in and make that box bigger that's right here. That way the fan can be in there too, and I'll probably have to get a bigger box, which means instead of leaving it right there, either that or just put something next to it might work too. We'll have to see what we can do. I was not planning on doing much with this wall. I'm kind of keeping it there. I might have to change that plan depending on what the code is or what the recommendation is for keeping that box there. I know that I'm gonna have to figure that one out. I might actually lower that box, which I thought was weird that it was up so high. And that might work. We'll have to see what happens. So we'll have to work on that, or if you guys have an idea of what to do with this electrical box, that would be great. This pole right here is going to possibly be taking the drywall off. I may have to actually move that light box after all. And we're gonna have to figure that one out. Cause yeah, we might have to move that light box. I don't know. It depends on if I cover in this area or not. I guess I should have left that pole there, because that would have made it a lot easier. But I like it like this. So we'll see what we need to do next. And see how I can make that light box stay there without exposing all the wires, which might be interesting. So anyway, stay tuned for more fun. And I'm sorry I couldn't finish this today, but my hands hurt real bad and I need to go lay down because it is 11:44 right now on a Sunday, and I just can't right now. So I need to go lay down and probably sleep the rest of the day, because I've been working really hard, concentrating too much, and it's gonna affect my job that I have to do. But at least we got all this wire stuff done. For the most part, my hands are hurting, so I need to stop. So we'll see you next time on Food Aspire Home and Garden. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Don't work too hard, but I know you will. Enjoy doing some DIY or, you know, lounging around, relaxing too. I promise we'll get this done. I still have to do this electrical work too. And the other wire needs to be done on both sides for the speakers. This needs to be hung too, but we're not done with this wall yet. We're getting pretty close. My next thing after the wiring up here is probably going to be some fixing holes and some painting maybe. I don't know, we'll have to see. But we are going to need to paint the rest of the house too. So we'll see you next time on Food Aspire Home and Garden. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Please inspire to do something wonderful in your life, no matter what it is, and inspire other people to do something wonderful in theirs. We'll see you next time on Food Aspire Home and Garden.